In this video, I'm going to show you how to use multi-row card in Power BI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I've got some example data here for this demonstration. So we're going to turn this sales data in a multi-row card that shows each customer's information in a compact format. So from here, we need to go ahead and add the multi-card row. So I've got two tabs at the bottom. So I've got the customer details here, and then I've got the visuals tab. Now to the right of this, we need to add in that multi-row card. So on the right, visualizations, look for multi-card tab here. Now what they've done, they've changed the multi-card to just card. So select card, and now this is going to do the same thing here. Now what I want to do is populate this. So I want to drag sales over into here. Then also want to drag in profit and customer as well. So now you should have the customer with the sum of sales and sum of profit. Now we can edit this. So see how it's not showing the full name. We can just go ahead and click on the little arrow here and just drag it out. So it's going to show their names correctly. And we can make this smaller or larger depending